Bhedams are the movements of body parts. As we all know, dance is constituted by various moves of various body parts being combined together under prescribed conditions. These body parts are classified into primary and secondary parts, and their corresponding Bhedams are called Angas and Upangas. Each of these Bhedams comprises a shloka which includes the movements of that particular part of the body. There are 11 Bhedams under Angas and 12 Bhedams under Upangas, summing up to a total of 23 Bhedams. With this, we come to an end of our Course 1, Learn Bharatanatyam Basics. Let us learn about the discussed Bhedams in Course 2, Learn Bharatanatyam for Beginners, very shortly.
Hope you enjoyed dancing. Thanks for watching the video. If you are interested in taking up personal classes online, you can apply through the form link given in the description. Give us a thumbs up if you liked today's episode and comment your doubts and queries in the comment tab below. Learning grows on sharing. Do share the video with those who might find this useful. Subscribe and turn on to the notifications to follow up with classes.